how to block my AI on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to block my AI on Snapchat. So in order to block my AI on Snapchat, first thing first, what you'll have to do is update your application. So to disable the My AI feature on Snapchat, you'll need to have a Snapchat Plus account. That means you need to have a premium account, only then you'll be able to disable it. Apart from it, there's no such thing as to remove your My AI on Snapchat. If you have a Snapchat Plus or if you're a member of Snapchat Plus, then all you have to do is long press on it, and after that you'll be able to see delete from chat. And what else you can also do is you can also go and try clearing your conversation. So for that, go to your Bitmoji icon, tap the gear icon, scroll down a bit and head over to the section of account action. So over here, go ahead and tap on clear conversation, and here if you're able to find My AI, you can simply go ahead and tap the cross icon. In my case, I don't have a Snapchat Plus, as well as the option is not available in all of the regions. So if you see that, then you can just go ahead and tap on it and the My AI feature will be removed from your Snapchat. So in this way you can block My AI on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.